So in this question, we have number base, and it's 132 base n is equals to 30 in base 10. Find n. All right, what base is this 132? Of course, we first of all change it to base 10. And to change it to base 10, we're going to do 2 times n raised to power 0, 3 times n raised to power 1 times n raised to power 2. So you have 1 times n raised to power 2 plus 3 times n raised to power 1 plus 2 times n raised to power 0 is equals to 30 in base 10. So when you're converting any number from any base to base 10, this is what you follow. You start from the last number and put the power of n to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 as you go the other direction. So this is just what we've just done. All right, here 1 times n raised to power 2 is n raised to power 2 plus 3 times n raised to power 1 is 3n plus 2 times n raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Is equals to 30. All right. This gives us n squared plus 3n is equals to 30 minus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides. So n squared plus 3n is equals to 28. This is a quadratic equation which you can solve using completing the square method, formula method, and either graphical method, or we use factorization method. So I love to use completing the square method here. I'd like you to use formula method, and let's see if we get the same answer. All right, this is our C is already substituted the formula. The next thing we want to do is make the left hand side a perfect square by finding the half of the coefficient of n, add it to both sides. The coefficient of n is 3. Half of the coefficient of n is 3 over 2. We're going to square it and add it to both sides. So we're adding this to both sides. It means n squared plus 3n plus 3 over 2 squared is equals to 28 plus 3 over 2 squared. All right. So this is, when we factorize this, what we're going to have is n plus 3 over 2 all squared is equals to 28 plus 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4. All right. So we have this. Then it's going to take us to n plus 3 over 2 squared is equal to what? Find the LCM. 4. Okay, so this is 28 plus 9 over 4. So this is 28 over 1. We find LCM 4. 1 in 4. 4. 4 times 28. That gives us 112 plus 4 in 4, 1. 1 times 9, 9 is equals to n plus 3 over 2 squared, and n plus 3 over 2 squared gives us 112 plus 9 gives us 121 over 4. All right. N plus 3 over 2 squared. We find the square root of both sides is equal to square root of 121 over 4 plus or minus. All right. This square take away this square root. So we have n plus 3 over 2 is equals to 11 over 2. Right? Because square root of 121 is 11. Square root of 4 is 2. So subtract 3 over 2 from both sides. N is equals to minus 3 over 2 plus or minus 11 over 2. All right? That is minus 3 plus 11 over 2, or minus 3 minus 11 over 2. So that gives us what? N is equals to minus 3 over 2 plus or minus 11 over 2. So which is equals to minus 3 over 2 plus 11 over 2, or minus 3 over 2 minus 11 over 2. If you take your LCM is 2. Minus 3 plus 11 is minus 3 plus 11 is 8 over 2, or minus 3 Take your LCM to minus 3 minus 11 is minus 14 over 2. 8 over 2 is 4, or minus 14 over 2 is minus 7. So because our n cannot be negative, then it means n is equals to 4. So this is 132 to base 4. All right. So you can see how number base leads us to quadratic equation. Like I said, you have to also do that same quadratic equation using formula method and see if we arrive at the same answer. Some of you should do it with factorization method and see if we arrive at the same answer. And if you want to learn how to use all this method, there are classes I've taught extensively on completing the square, factorization, and a formula method. In fact, there was a class I taught where we derived the formula from the general quadratic equation of ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. And then we derive that x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. You can check out that class and it's going to be very, very helpful to you. All right, that being said, if this is the first time you are coming across our videos, make sure to do what, subscribe to this channel, like and share with your friends, and we're going to see you again in another class. Thank you very much. Hasta la vista. Bye bye.